Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is going to be really simple and too simple for most of you if you've used Corel for a while. Inside of Corel on your toolbar over here, you have the Polygon tool. Well, I had somebody this morning that was trying to draw a hexagon by hand, and I suggested just use the Polygon tool and then change the sides. Hexagon is 6 sides, which has 6 vertical and it's also 6 angles. Pretty neat. Hexa means 6, gonna means angles. So holding down your control button to get a perfect one. So that is a 6-sided polygon. That is a 5-sided polygon. Now, if you go to 4, I guess it's still a polygon, but it's a square. If you go to 3, it's a triangle. And it even says a figure that has at least 3 straight sides. So Corel, well, if they went to 2, it'd be a line. But you could have as many sides as you want. And just to add to the video, a polygon tool is really cool when you're designing stuff because it's got these nodes and you can take the nodes holding down the control button. And you don't have to hold down the control button. You could not just freehand it, but if you want them to go to the center, you can draw stuff like that. And still you could add nodes and do all kinds of stuff with the polygon tool. But it can have as many sides as you wanted. So we could even limit the sides. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.